Good morning. Good morning. We are here waiting for someone to give us some food. And fly, 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 fly. And be free. Of course. Everybody wants to be free and everybody wants to be fed. And everybody wants to be appreciated in their lives. Yes. We are just like the birds. Just Jonathan Livingston Seagull is here, wondering where is his partner. He or she flew away. So therefore, she is flying to find him or her. Yes. Or maybe they're going to meet here again. Let's see what's going to happen in the next video. And here are our stars. Here are our stars. The cats. And this man that is feeding the cats, he is our hero. Because he loves cats, just like I do. Merci, merci, merci. Thank you so much for feeding the cats. Oh, now we know who we need to contact when we come to Morocco. Because he is the best man in Morocco for us. Thank you. Goodbye.